Hello friends, now I am giving hands-on review about Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra titanium white silver color. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on Android 15 with the company's new One UI 7 interface on top. It also comes with support for Galaxy AI features and is slated to get 7 years of Android OS and security updates. The handset is equipped with a custom Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, accompanied by 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of inbuilt storage. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy S25 Ultra with a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a 1Hz to 120Hz variable refresh rate and up to 2600 nits peak brightness. The display has Corning Gorilla Glass Armor True protection. Unlike its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has slightly rounded corners. The handset has 4 rear cameras including a 200MP main camera with 2x in-sensor zoom, optical image stabilization and an f/7 aperture, and an updated 50MP ultra-wide camera with 120-degree field of view. It also has a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and OIS and a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and OIS. On the front, this sports a 12MP selfie camera. That's all about Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.